Why does it look like someone already dug into this Oreo one?
Boy, this one's really tasty, Johnny. And you'll never guess the sugar and calorie content of this one. It's got 800 calories in a small and 86 grams of sugar. Woo! Hey, Johnny Aardvark.
Yeah, Jack? What's up?
What do you call an athletic pumpkin? A jack-o'-lantern.
Man, Jack may have stolen the show with those nutrition facts, but I'm gonna steal it back on eating it. You know, Oreos are without a doubt one of my favorite treats. Mix them in with a Blizzard, you got yourself one tasty treat.